If you manage a commercial kitchen, we know you don't have time for dirty appliances. Cut through tough baked-on food and grease residue with De-Greez. Even this grimy commercial kitchen appliance is no match for the cleaning power of De-Greez. To use, shake well and frequently. Then, simply spray on De-Greez and allow it to sit, following the label for the specific time. De-Greez's cleaning action holds onto surfaces to dissolve debris and make cleanup easy. Its unique formula stays wet for longer, for better lubrication during scrubbing and removal. If using indoors, be sure to cover floors and walls and do not allow De-Greez to come in contact with any painted surfaces. Always wear rubber gloves and safety glasses. The scouring power of De-Greez effectively cleans warm or cold ovens. De-Greez also works great on stoves, broilers, barbecue grills, hoods, rotisseries, burners, drip pans, and skillets. It can be used safely and effectively on porcelain, ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and other steel surfaces. Before using the oven after cleaning, rinse all surfaces with potable water and preheat oven for 10 minutes before use. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to look for De-Greez today.